Hello, assalamu alaikum. So, you asked me one question to find f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 over h. Yeah, we have to find this one. And what is given? Given is f of s is equals to 2s plus 3. This function is given. So, first we need to find out this one, f of 2 plus h, and then f of 2, and then we will replace its values. So, how to find f of 2 plus h? F of 2 plus h, to find this one, just if you will replace, instead of s as 2 plus h, you can get f of 2 plus h. So what I'm going to do, just put s is equals to 2 plus h, where in the given function, in this one, yeah. Say this function is as 1, equation 1. So put s is equals to 2 plus h instead of s in 1. Okay. So f of 2 plus h, we will get 2 into what is s? 2 plus h plus 3. So multiply this inside. So you will get 4 plus 2h plus 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2h. This is the value of f of 2 plus h. You can name it as equation 3 or equation 2. Now again, put s is equals to 2 in equation 1 to find f of 2. So instead of s, write 2. S is 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7. This is our f of 2. You can say this is equation 3. Now here you can use 2 and 3, equation 2 and 3. What is the value of f of 2 plus h? From 2 we can write 7 plus h, 7 plus 2h minus, what is f of 2? F of 2 is 7, right? 7 here, down we have h, plus 7 minus 7 cancel. So this is 2h over h. So h will cancel with h. So this is 2. So this is your answer. Hope you understand.